Hi everybody, today my teammate Luis and I will show you how to do a good outline of the research paper. First you get to know what is an research paper. I will show you what it is. Well, the research paper is a personal step approach to developing a research paper. The student focuses on a personal referencing in selection of a topic and research method. Well, to write an research paper, you pick a subject to which you have a personal connection and write about it from a personal point of view. Your paper will consist of three major parts. First, the story of your research. This section tells readers what you knew about your subject before you began your research, what you want to know, and the research steps you went through to find out what you want to know, including both the steps that led to useful information and the steps that turned out to be the dead ends. The second point is what you learn. In this section, you give the readers the results of your search, both the answers you found and the answers you did not find. The third and last point is your reflections on the search. You use this final section to tell readers what the experience has taught you about conducting and documenting a search.
Well, to do an research paper, you need to do an outline. And this is an research paper outline. The first step to do this outline is the story. Grab your reader's attention, begin with an attention-getting statement about your topic and explain what it was important for you to find out more about it. Tell what you knew, briefly mention the most important information ideas you already knew about your topic. Tell what you want to learn and why. Let readers know what you want to find out about your topic and the reason motivating your search. And start your thesis. Turn your question into a statement and add the factors that complete the statement. The second step is the search results. In this, discuss your results and give support. Devote a list of a paragraph to each important result. Support your findings with a direct quotation, paraphrases, and summaries of information from your sources. The last step of this outline is the search reflection. Reflect on your search, describe what you learned from your research experience, discuss how your experience and your new knowledge might affect your future. Remind readers of your thesis statement. And here is an example of the research outline. In the first example of the outline, the search result is that have you ever heard something about the video game called Grand Theft Auto? Grand Theft Auto is one of the most violent video game that exists. And also, I want to know if this video game can physiological problems in the young people, and this research paper can use to know if the violent video games can provoke physiological problems. The second example of the search results is evidence, facts, and an expert opinion. And the third step and last is the search reflection. This is describe the problems of Grand Theft Auto in the young people. And with this research paper, you can understand more about this violent video game.
Now we will show you how to fill a tree map that is on my mind for the research paper. And there you have what you knew, and down you have your knowledge about the topic. And the second square is what you want to know. And down you have the doubts to solve. Then you have the findings that you have to support them, that are in the last square. Now we will show you how to fill it that are the tree map with the famous game Grand Theft Auto. In the square that says what you knew, we put Grand Theft Auto, GTA, easy violent beating game where you can kill people, steal cars, rob banks, and speak explicitly. And the second square is what you want to know. Down we put all this violence, destruction, and bad language don't harm people's mind. And the third square that are the findings, we put it doesn't change fulfill people's mind. It only can make people change their point of view a little bit. In the next tree map that are the findings, we put support evidence, facts, and expert opinion. We fill it with in this way. Evidence. Most of the murders or restrictions in the United States are similar to the ones of GTA and other games. In the square of facts, we put that it doesn't affect children's behavior according to Dr. Cheryl Olsen. And the last square that is express opinion, we put they, the children, prefer games with a mature, red-balanced video game themes such as Grand Theft Auto, an urban dystopia of gunfights, car chases, pole dancers, and prostitutes where blood splatters realistically on the camera lens. All this according to the American Medical Association. Well, we hope that this presentation will help you to fulfill a good research paper outline. Thank you.